Good day everyone, we are Group C and today we're gonna tackle about the skills demonstration for electro-pneumatics, counter, and sensors.
For this circuit, I use the air compressor and the FRL and 5 two-way DCV and shut-off bulb and double actuated actuator for the pneumatic circuit.
For our electric diagram, we have the optical proximity sensor that is connected to 24 volts and 0 volts, and the Q1 from our optical proximity sensor is connected to the up counter that has uh, a push button connected to its reset, and we have the two solenoids. So here we have, after the construction of the pneumatic and the electrical circuit, the first attempt are recorded. And the only part that we have encountered with difficulty is the push button, which we have used the latching push button instead of the momentary push button to reset the counter. So that is the only thing that we have um, forgotten to double check, which resulted in a not working circuit. So we have the troubleshooter to for the second attempt to correct this mistake. So the next part is
Kagaya nga po ng sinabi kanina, ang naging encounter first naging trouble na encounter ng aming first attempt dun sa aming constructor is yung nagamit naming push button is latch or detent na push button. That's why na pagkatapos niyang i-reset yung counter, hindi na nagbibilang yung counter kahit may nasa-sense na object yung ating sensor. So ang ginawa namin diyan para tumama yung circuit is pinaltan lang po namin yung detent push button ng momentary push button. So pinindot po natin yung push button, mare-reset, then pag nag-sense po ulit siya ng makikita po natin na mag-extend po ulit siya. Hindi siya may stop.
that is all.